In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get dark mode on PayPal. If you use PayPal on a desktop browser and prefer a darker interface that's easier on the eyes, especially at night, it's important to know that PayPal does not currently offer a built-in dark mode on desktop. So if you've been looking through the settings and not finding the option, that's completely normal. The good news is that there is still a simple workaround you can use to make the site appear in dark mode. What you'll want to do is use a third-party browser extension designed to apply dark themes to websites. Popular options include extensions like Dark Mode or Dark Reader. These tools can automatically change bright website backgrounds into darker ones, making sites like PayPal more comfortable to look at while browsing. To get started, open your browser and go to the Chrome Web Store. Once you're there, use the search bar to look for a dark mode extension. You can search for something like Dark Reader or a similar dark mode tool. When choosing one, it's a good idea to quickly check the reviews and ratings so you can pick an extension that's reliable and widely used. After you find the extension you want, add it to your browser. The installation usually only takes a few seconds. Once it's been added, make sure the extension is enabled. Depending on the extension, you may also see a few display settings you can adjust, but in most cases the default setup works just fine for this. Next, go back to your PayPal page. If it was already open, refresh the page so the extension can apply the dark theme properly. After the refresh, PayPal should appear in dark mode inside your browser. Keep in mind that because this is not an official PayPal feature, the appearance may vary slightly depending on the extension you use. Some colors, buttons, or backgrounds may look a little different from one extension to another. If one extension doesn't look quite right, you can always try another one until you find the style that works best for you. And that's really all there is to it. Since PayPal doesn't currently support native dark mode on desktop, using a browser extension is the easiest way to get that darker look. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you make PayPal a little more comfortable to use.